So in this video, I'm going to show you the ink for the Canon. The ink is loaded in on the left and the right side of the machine. On the left side of the machine, you have your two blacks. You have your matte black and your photo black. This is what the ink looks like. When you load your ink in and you push the blue tab down, you want to feel a slight resistance at the end. If you don't feel that resistance, the machine will tell you that the ink was not loaded in correctly. Now on your right side, you have your three colors. You have your Y for yellow, M for magenta, C for cyan. Each ink has its own specific slot. Each ink has a chip inside, so it will notify the machine when it is running low. The machine does come with a sample size, and this is our smaller size, and we also sell our larger size as well, our 300 ml and our smaller size for the 120 ml. The machine can take multiple sizes at once. Once it's loaded in, press OK, and once it goes back to the home screen, you're ready to print.